Good morning from a sunny Vaal River. Today we present ZA00817, a lovely little blue bar hen. Her father's first children sold as breadwinners, as well as his three sisters. The father line that we imported have got an 80% strike rate last year. We bred 7 ace pigeons. Out of 18 pigeons raced, which is quite high in my opinion, and then 22 of the imported pigeons babies have already bred winners for clients. We expect a lot more coming this season. The mother is a full sister to a cock that we sold to Isak Mare that bred him a union winner in the first nest, NOK. It's a 4-time Sagan on the mother's side. Remember, Sagan is bred from Broer Goede Rode. So this is fantastic winning Kittel bloodline from proven breeders. She has a nice little wing. Just very well balanced. Very, very well balanced. As you can see, beautiful little hen. Silky soft feathers. Nice eye. Very good throat. This line is very good for us. The Princess Kittel Sagan line, I think, has got lots of results still coming. Thank you.